Hi everybody, welcome to the Worldwide Culinary Apprentice Online Cooking School. I'm here with my student Joe from the Philippines. And what are you going to show us today, Joe?
I will show you how to make vegetable spring roll.
Nice, and I think we have some shrimps also inside.
Yes.
Those are beautiful little things here. Look at that. I'm going to tell you right away if they're good. I know they are.
It's good.
You're going to be in for a good treat. Thank you for watching. So what do you have here, Joe?
We have half pound of shrimps. We have 4 cloves of garlic, half of zucchini, 1 whole carrot, 1 whole onion, half of the cabbage, and 3 stalks of celery with seasoning.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Okay, and what are those here? Those little wrapper?
Those are spring roll wrapper.
Okay, excellent.
First, we have to grate the zucchini and the carrots together. After you grate the carrots and zucchini, we have to chop the cabbage. And then, same thing with the celery stalk. And you can put it together with the grated carrots and zucchini. Same thing with celery. Add it together. And for the onion, we'll cut it sizzling. And then the garlic, we just cut it in a small pieces. And then next, we have to cut the shrimps in 3 pieces. Three or 4, it depends how big the shrimps you will use it. Now we are ready to saute all the ingredients. Now we have to use 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Put first the onion to sweat. Maybe we have to wait 3 to 5 minutes, then we will put the garlic. Now it's ready to put the garlic and cook it for same 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, we will put the shrimps. Now I will put the shrimps, but I will not mix it together with the onion and garlic, just on the side to make color. And I will put it back to the bowl. And now we can put salt, maybe 2 pinch of salt. And that's the and I will take out again this. And now we have to put the mixed vegetables that we grate and chop before. We'll put it all together and just saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it well. We have to put in medium low and put back the shrimps. Mix it all together and we close it. Close the pan and we have to wait till it cool down before we will wrap it with the spring roll wrapper. And now we have to transfer the vegetables to the strainer because the pot is too hot. We need to put the vegetables in the strainer to lessen the hot and stays crunchy. At the same time, we have to drain some of the water. After it cooled down the vegetables, now it's ready to be wrapped. We need to put 1.5 tablespoons of the vegetables and wrap it carefully. First thing, you have to put it a little bit in the middle and fold it like that and push it down to hold the vegetables inside so that it will not be loose. And then fold it like that. At the end, we have to put some water to stick on it. Okay, like that. So now we will add the oil in 350 degrees and then it's ready to fry the spring roll. We have to fry the spring roll till golden brown. And now our spring roll is ready. We have to put some kitchen